Hi guys, it looked like you asked me to do number 3 and number 7 for your review packet. So if you look at number 3 right here, I'll go ahead and erase this. So I'm looking, what can I multiply both sides of the equation by so that all of the numbers in this problem are integers. And integers are whole numbers, so positive or negative whole numbers. So I really just want to get rid of all the fractions here. So what I want to do is I want to pick a number that's a multiple of all of these numbers. So when I'm looking for multiples, I always increase by the largest number. So I'll increase by 6. 6 is a multiple of 3, but it's not a multiple of 4. So what I'm going to do is then I'll increase by another 6 and I'll get to 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3 and it's a multiple of 4. So I'll multiply both sides by 12. And when I do that, I get 3/4 x minus 2/3 is equal to 1/6 x times 12. So when I multiply both sides by 12 here, 12 times 3/4, so thinking about 12 times 3 and then divided by 4, that's going to give me 9x. 12 times 2/3, so 12 times 2, and then that number divided by 3 is going to give me, so minus 8. And then 12 times 1/6 is really like 12 divided by 6, so that's going to give me 2x. So now I can solve this equation, and they're all integers. This isn't necessarily something that will definitely show up on your test. This could be something like a spicy question, but this was really just a question to throw on there for you to see how we're working with solving equations and integers. Lastly, you wanted to go over number 7, so I'll go ahead and erase these. So these were when we talked about absolute value problems. So what you want to do is you want to find the center value, and then you want to find the distance that each of your dots are away from the center value. So in this case, my center value is 0, and I'm 1, 2, 3, 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So the absolute value of x is equal to my distance, which is 4. Here, my middle, if this is at 3 and this is at 5, my middle is going to be here at 1. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So I know that my absolute value will equal 4. And what I want to do is I want to do x minus my middle number, which is 1 here. So now I can see 5 minus 1 is going to give me 4. And negative 3 minus 1 is going to give me negative 4. And the absolute value of both of those numbers is going to be positive 4. So I'll ask you to just pause this video right now and try the last one on your own. So I'll wait for you to pause it. And then I want to go over it with you. So if I'm looking at negative 6 and positive 2, it looks like this negative 2 value is right in the middle. And I'm jumping 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that my absolute value will be equal to 4 because absolute value is distance. So again, I'm just going to take my absolute value minus my center number, which is negative 2. So this really acts as x plus 2 is equal to 4. So from here, I can look and see that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And if I were to plug in negative 6 plus 2 is going to give me negative 4. So my absolute value there is still positive 4. Shoot me an email if you have any other questions. You can see that it's 8 o'clock in the corner of my screen right now. I'll check my email for about another hour to an hour and a half. So if you need any other videos, then let me know and I'll upload them for you. Good luck studying, guys.